Hey everyone, if you are someone who really want perfect life, so this video is going to be a perfect for you because it might change your perspective and the way you see your life. So please watch this video till the end so that you can know the reality of life. So without wasting your time, so please let's start it. Once there was a girl named Ria. She was a working woman. She had a job 9 to 5. She was a mother, she was a daughter, she had a wonderful family, she had a nice house and everything. And according to the word, she had a perfect life. Everyone say, look at Ria, she had a perfect life. Why? She didn't want anything. She must be a perfect in every field. Every morning, she woke up early. She prepared breakfast for her kids, then dropped him at his school after back to home. Like other women, she completed all the household chores. Then she went to the office, attended meeting, and back to home again, took care of family. So that's how she managed her day. One day, one of her friends asked her, "Hey Ria, are you happy in your life?" She smiled and said, "Yes, I am happy." But from inside, she was feeling a kind of guilt. She was feeling like she was missing something. One day, she sat in a cafeteria in her office and she thought that all married women wants freedom in their life, all unmarried women wants true love in their life, all working women want some extra time for their family, for themselves and for their kids too. And all the non-working women wants their career. They want to be independent, right? So no one life is perfect. Perfect is a kind of illusion. I think peace is really important. So they say started focusing on herself that she is happy or not in her life because this is the part of our life and we always want that we don't have. If we have something, that time things don't be too much valuable. But if we don't have something, we give more focus on those things. So, my dear friend, are you looking a perfect life? Do you think other life is really perfect, but you're not? But it's not like this. We all should happy in our life, whatever we have. Definitely, we should work on ourselves. We should update ourselves. And what I personally believe that we should never compare ourselves to others because everyone has their own journey. Right. So let them enjoy their journey and we should focus on our journey. So, for you, what is more important for you? A perfect life or peaceful life? So, please let me know in my comment box. Thanks for watching. I hope you really like this story.